Hello students and friends, welcome back to Learners Academy. Today is day 10, chapter 10 of my handwritten notes, question 2A of the board exams, give reasons worth 4 marks. Today's chapter is space missions, a very easy and interesting chapter. You all love it. It's your last chapter by the way for science 1, study it very well. Okay, let's begin. Crack your 10 boards with guarantee question wise preparation for exams. Just prepare these give reasons from each chapters to ensure 4 marks from question 2A. There will be 3 questions asked in question 2A. You have a choice to attempt any 2. In chapter 10 we have 4 most important give reasons. That's the lowest as of now. So study all of these answers well. Since this chapter has the least number of give reasons, study all of them really thoroughly, really well. They can equally be asked in all of your exams. May it be first term, second term, first prelim, second prelim, unit test, test series, or even the boards. We don't know. Study it very well. Let's begin. Get above 95%. For those of you wondering or feeling scared it's difficult to get above 95% in science, do not worry. Don't feel afraid. It's very easy. You just need to put a little of effort. You just need to concentrate a little from your side, show a little interest, and you'll definitely get above 95% in science. I've got 96% in science. For those of you who don't know, that's why I'm loving to share my experience with all of you youngsters. Without further ado, let's begin with the answers. Give reason 1. There's a need of managing space debris due to the following reasons. Very few countries in the world have adopted and progressed in space technology. Sometimes there are faults in space launching, failures in satellites, or some spacecraft get worn out. All these form a major junk in the space which is called space debris. Till today more than 2 crore useless space debris are rotating in their orbit around the Earth. They can cause a major threat to the functioning of other useful satellites. So basically that's kachra in space. We need to manage that very well. If they are not managed properly, the junk will keep on increasing, which can lead to major space accidents. Not accidents, space accidents. Hence there's a need of managing space debris. They can be risky to the future launching of other satellites as well. Very important answer, study this well. Let's move to the second give reason. Okay, satellite launch vehicles are made up of more than one stage due to the following reasons. Earlier satellites used a single stage fuel. The management, fuel consumption and expenditure of SLVs, that is satellite launch vehicles, was very expensive and heavy. Also maintaining the satellites was difficult as they couldn't be used again. But with the advancement in space technology, satellite launch vehicles with more than one stage was developed. In these satellites, the first stage provided the initial thrust and the empty fuel tank would fall back into the ocean or unpopulated land. The weight of the satellite reduced, increasing its velocity, and the space shuttle could be used again. Very easy and important answer, study this well. Oh, I almost forgot. The use of multi-stage satellites, which is the new modern one, this saves fuel consumption as well. Let's move to the third give reason. Geostationary or geosynchronous satellites are not useful for the study of polar region. Geosynchronous or geostationary satellites are not used for the study of polar regions because they are high Earth orbit satellites, HEO satellites, rotating 35780 kilometers, that's 35,780 kilometers above the Earth's surface. These satellites rotate around the equatorial plane of the Earth. There's a cut over here, so let me explain. They do not fly over the polar regions. Hence these satellites are not useful for the study of polar regions. It's very important to draw and mention the diagram in this answer. This is the Earth equator, equatorial plane. These are the HEO satellites, axis of the Earth. So they do not move at all over the equatorial plane. They don't move over the polar region. Their orbit is not over the polar region. It can be very well understood with the help of diagram. It demonstrates it very well. Go as per the correction. Go as per the red ink. Let me cut out the point which is excluded in this answer. Sorry for the inconvenience, my dear friends. Fine. Let's move to the next answer now. We spent enough time on this one. High Earth orbit satellites are called geosynchronous satellites. Why? Due to the following reasons. Let me take a new highlighter. High Earth orbit satellites are called geosynchronous satellites because these satellites are stationary with reference to the Earth. They take 24 hours to complete one revolution, and even the Earth takes 24 hours to complete one revolution. Sorry for the dirty handwriting. Speaking of handwriting, let me tell you, be very clear in the board exams. The mistake I have made over here is writing 2 points in one line. Don't do that. Take it to the next line. The board paper is worth 20 pages. The board bundle, your main supplement, is 20 pages. It's enough space to complete one science paper and unlimited supplements for y'all. So just keep on writing. Be very spacious in your paper. If you have made a cut, leave 2-3 lines. It's very easy. Be very clear in the paper. It will give a very solid impression to the examiner. Okay, let's continue. They can observe a specific portion of the Earth continuously. Therefore, they are useful in applications like meteorology, space research, and also for broadcasting, television and radio programs, and also telephone programs. Very easy and important answer. This is our last give reason for Science 1. Take a screenshots of all the answers if you want to. Pause for a while. You can rewind the video if you wish to. Now, today's lecture was a little small. It's time to conclude it now. Keep smiling, keep learning. Thank you so much for watching. Share all your knowledge and experience with friends. Stay tuned to Learners Academy. I'll be uploading distinguished betweens of all the Science 1 and Science 2 chapters as well. I'll be uploading give reasons for Science 2 as well. Stay tuned to Learners Academy. Bye bye. Enjoy, stay safe, stay healthy. Keep learning. Bye.